For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering upgrading to the Bose QuietComfort Ultra? You're probably looking for a top-of-the-line noise-canceling headphone that will block out distractions and provide crystal-clear sound. But here's what surprised me. After using the Bose QuietComfort Ultra extensively, I was shocked to find out that it falls short in several key areas. Therefore, I want to share my honest review with you, highlighting both its strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with the good stuff. The noise-canceling technology is indeed impressive, and it's great for commuters or anyone who needs to focus in a noisy environment. However, what really caught me off guard was how quickly it loses battery life. You might be thinking, isn't this the best part of wireless headphones? Unfortunately, with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra, you'll need to recharge it every 24 hours if you plan on using it extensively. But don't just take my word for it. The reviews are in, and many users have reported similar issues. Therefore, I want to emphasize that this is not a minor problem. It's a significant flaw that could affect your daily use of the headphones. Now let's dive deeper into the issues I encountered. One major concern is the sound quality. While it's great for casual listening, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra struggles with bass response and clarity in certain frequencies. I was expecting more from a product in this price range, especially considering its reputation for producing high-quality audio. But here's another issue. The build quality feels flimsy compared to other headphones on the market. The materials used are lightweight but don't quite match up to the robust construction I've come to expect from Bose. Now you might be wondering if these issues are deal breakers for you. Therefore, let me reiterate that they are significant problems that affect the overall user experience. However, it's not all bad news. The noise-canceling technology is still impressive, and the comfort level is great for extended wear. But to get the most out of this product, I'd recommend using it in situations where battery life isn't a concern or finding ways to extend its lifespan. Before we conclude, let me summarize my key points. Poor battery life, subpar sound quality, and questionable build quality are all red flags that make me hesitant to recommend the Bose QuietComfort Ultra. If you're still interested in investing in a high-end pair of noise-canceling headphones, I'd suggest looking elsewhere. There are better options available on the market. For the best price, click the link in the description to check out my top picks and alternatives that won't break the bank. Let's review some of the key specs. Noise-canceling technology with 3 microphones. Up to 24 hours of battery life, which can be extended using the charging case. Weight, approximately 7.2 oz. Dimensions, 3.6 x 1.8 x 4.5 inches. When you consider these specs, it's clear that the Bose QuietComfort Ultra has some impressive features, but are they enough to outweigh its drawbacks? Let me reiterate my initial warning. If you value convenience and performance above all else, you might want to think twice about this purchase. But for those who prioritize style and aesthetics, the sleek design of the Bose QuietComfort Ultra is certainly a draw. Therefore, it ultimately comes down to what matters most to you in a pair of headphones. As someone who's spent extensive time researching and testing various products, I believe it's essential to be aware of both the strengths and weaknesses of any given product. If you're looking for a more in-depth review or have specific questions about my experience with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra, feel free to leave a comment below. In conclusion, while the Bose QuietComfort Ultra has some notable features, its flaws in battery life, sound quality, and build quality make it less than ideal. Therefore, I would caution against making this purchase, especially considering the higher price point compared to other noise-canceling headphones on the market. For those who want a premium listening experience without breaking the bank, there are better options available. For the best price, click the link in the description to check out my top picks and consider alternatives that won't let you down.